Thrive for Life ensures that adults diagnosed with cancer receive the comprehensive whole person care that they deserve. They are able to accomplish that by hosting signature fundraising events. One of those events is the Cooking for Cancer event at the Englewood. Here's a video from last year's event.
Good evening, everyone. I'm honored to welcome you tonight as we support the Thrive for Life Foundation and the Penn State Cancer Institute Care Center.
We have a winner!
Tonight, Cooking for Cancer will raise funds for the Care Center and honor its mission to serve the whole person and provide patient and family-centered care.
And I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us this evening for Cooking for Cancer. I'm always reminded, though, what we're doing in the Care Center, what we do through Thrive, it's not about me. It's also, importantly, with all due respect, it's not about you. It's really about us and together how we can care for those going through this experience, ensuring that they get the support and services that they need.
Food brings people together. We celebrate with food and give thanks with food. Food is a source of comfort. All of us here tonight play an important role in working to support patients as they prepare for treatment and recovery.
I very much appreciate the theme for tonight's event, Together We Care. And it speaks to, I think, who we are as a community, and I really do think who we are as a community is special and is founded in the legacy of Milton Hershey. And therefore, supporting the Care Center was a natural extension of what we hold so very dear to our values.
It is because of all of you here tonight and all the contributions that the Care Center can continue to deliver comprehensive and whole person care for adults diagnosed with cancer. Thank you all.
And we are now joined by Dr. Michael Hayes, who you saw in that video. Such a great video showing off Cooking for Cancer. Tell us when and where this year's event is taking place.
Thank you, Brett.
Yeah.
At the Englewood in Hershey on Sunday, June 4th.
Okay.
5:30 to 8.
So it's coming up.
Yes.
And it'll be next weekend. How can viewers learn more about Thrive for Life and get tickets to help with this year's event?
They can visit our website, which is thriveforlife, all one word, .me. Enter that in their URL, and it will take you to the site.
That's awesome. And like you said, it's not about you, me. It's about all of us together working toward a common goal. Such great words and very true.
Exactly. Thank you.
Absolutely. We hope you'll sign up. You can get more information just like the doctor said. We appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for sharing.
We appreciate it. Here's a pin for you.
Thank you so much. And this year's theme, I misspoke earlier, it's Keep on Tuckin'.
Tuckin'.
So that's good stuff. We hope you can join everybody at the Englewood. So thanks,
Great.
Doctor. We appreciate it.